What's happening, y'all? Welcome to Swing Trade Sunday. Just like I do every week. Well, some week is portfolio update, some week is swing day, swing trade Sunday. I've been doing content all day long, short form content. So I'm gonna keep it short and sweet for y'all today, and I'm gonna show y'all the setup I see with Nvidia, right? Y'all know Nvidia is my favorite stock. I really like Nvidia because we've been moving sideways since like October last year. The stock has just been moving sideways. So because the stock price hasn't really been going up, but they've been making more and more profits, the PE ratio has decreased. So Nvidia is a lot cheaper, right? So we're gonna pull up Nvidia. We're gonna look at Nvidia and the chart right quick. So to the left, that's the total stock market. As you can see, the total stock market is significantly above all-time highs. We broke all-time highs last week. Usually when or stock market breaks all-time highs, it continues, it keeps going. If you look over at Nvidia, which is the largest company within the total stock market, it is not at all-time highs yet. Nvidia is currently at like 201, all-time highs is 211. So that's part of the reason why I like it, because the total stock market is on the way up, is past all-time highs, but Nvidia hasn't reached all-time highs yet. So we have momentum, and the total stock market is already at all-time highs. If we look at Nvidia specifically, now remember I told y'all the PE ratio is cheap. If we look at Nvidia, you see where it does this shoot up and consolidation where it's been since here, like what is that, July of last year, August of last year. We literally been in the same spot while the company been making more and more profits. Also, also due to history, Nvidia usually does a run up before their earnings. Nvidia posts earnings later on, either this month or next month, but it does a massive run up a lot of the times before earnings, right? So we got that bull flag. Bull flag, give y'all an example of a bull flag. And then we're gonna actually look up how Nvidia trades during earnings or during earnings. So as you can see, we consolidated, we're moving back up. If you look at this, and to be real, we also look like we could be doing a triple, you know what I'm saying? Look like we could be doing a triple bottom. You see it we got a bottom, we got a bottom here, we got a bottom here, we got a bottom here. So it looked like double bottom, triple bottom, bull flag. We are pulling a little further away from the 9-day MA. So if I enter this trade, I'll probably hold the trade out for a couple months, the swing trade. I do want price to come back to the 9-day moving average a little bit, right? Now let's pull up how Nvidia usually does during earnings. Historically, pre-earnings performance. Recent history data shows a consistent pattern of multi-week run-ups leading to the release date. You hear me? Multi-week run-ups. So due to history, Nvidia usually runs up leading, um, leading up to the earnings call, right? But we've been consolidating, so they've been making profits and making profits and not moving up, right? So if we also look at the weekly time frame on the VIX, look at the weekly frame on the VIX is going down. As you can see, the MACD is going down, the VIX is going down. When the VIX does big spikes like this, when the VIX does big spikes like this, usually when it does big spikes, once it's coming down, the market goes up. As you can see, it's already started coming down. The market has already started going up. So the VIX is going down. We got total stock market momentum. Nvidia being the largest market cap in the stock market, but hasn't reached all-time highs yet. And the PE ratio, great. I mean this is one of the best swing trades that I've seen in a minute. Most likely gonna get into this one. Y'all will probably see a little later or not. Um And that's really it for the day, man. I'm gonna look at Netflix real quick. I know they've been dropping hard. Let's see what Netflix looking like. I feel like I might like Netflix. Let's pull up the daily. I feel like I might like Netflix. Oh, so what I do like about Netflix is, let me see. What I do like about Netflix is that it came down to the weekly level of support. I mean, the MACD is about to cross downward. I'm not a big fan of that swing trade. Not a big fan. Let me take a look at one more. I want to see what Palantir is looking like. I'm sure Palantir is probably on its way back up, trying to make that here for a potential swing trade. Palantir, you can see we're doing a double bottom. The RSI and the MACD is about to cross. So I like Nvidia number one option. I like Palantir as a number two option. Palantir has a potential to break the bull flag. I mean the double bottom. You don't want to enter this. I mean you can jump ahead of it now, catch the market's momentum, but this is not a confirmed bull flag until Palantir crosses the 161 mark where it got that red line, a little peak right there. You don't want to is this, but it's looking like a double bottom. So I gave y'all two swing trade plays, man. Oh, let me look at one more. Let me look at MU. I'm pretty sure MU is a good one too, just because of MU is perfect. MU is perfect. So MU is literally looking just like Nvidia, just like Nvidia. MU has a nice bull flag, and it's about to break out. So I like Nvidia, Palantir, and MU for swing trades for next week. Make sure you place your stop loss. Get the fear and greed index right quick just before we leave. I ain't do swing trades Sundays in a minute, so I've been skipping steps. But let's look at the fear and greed index. I'm pretty sure we're not as fearful as we normally are, like a week ago. You know what I'm saying? But let's take a look at the fear and greed. I done gave y'all the plays already. So yeah, we this week, and trade week we got Palantir, we got Nvidia, and we got MU. I would hold Nvidia at least up for the earning call, which is towards the end of like May or April or something like that. And luckily, I'm gonna show y'all the results and the profits. If y'all don't jump in yourself, at least y'all can celebrate my profits. Make sure you like and subscribe.